My name is Sam Hain. Welcome to Haunter POV 2023. This is episode 1. I wanted to keep this simple, no frills, no extras. So with that being said, enjoy episode 1.
Why are you looking at me like that Don't you like cut a girl's arm and sew it up? Like, yeah, you do.
So, could you cut my throat and just end my life? They told me I had to bring my knife back to the truck, which I was going to use it, so.
It's new. I know. I'm working on it.
You don't give a shit.
No, I know.
Is there a body
I'm not
cam?
bored yet.
You see those teeth? That shit
But
actually
did you
look
die?
Hey, your buddy with the chains on here probably made me shit from it. I thought it was real. I really thought it was real. It scared me. Were you the one fucking ripping my phone? Yes, I was. Show me yours. Are those real? Do you want to see mine? I'll show you mine.
Oh. Oh.
You gonna touch me?
Huh?
No? Oh!
Okay, you're good. I see you on Facebook. Alright. That's the sparks. Hello.
Hey, Dan. I was just saying hi. Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Let me see in the back.
Hi.
What the fuck?
Now you gotta lick it! Lick it!
Damn. God, that was dry. I'm drying out my fingers. You know, so, never mind. Oh, your eyes are gone.
Oh my god! She's a newbie. He's gonna give me a wet willy. Nails are gonna go into her ear.
Do it, man. Did you forget?
Come here, I'll protect you.
Oh my god.
Is there another one? Oh, yeah.
Ah.
That's heavy.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
Oh shit, damn. You were right there.
Uh-huh. It's okay. It'll be okay, I promise.
This is so cool! I think you got a thing for you.
Huh? Peter's cat. Sure. $5. I'm just kidding. You actually want to do it. I was being
I'm
sarcastic.
so gullible. What is it for you? I don't fucking know.
Sorry, I'm just looking at your.
Grab it.
Like, me and you have the
Yeah.
same one. Oh, that's so cool. Me and you have the same one.
I have 3.
I appreciate that.
Hey, look. I'm just looking out. We got rid of the teeth. We got rid of the teeth. Why? Because it's time. It's about that time, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it?
Isn't it?
Isn't it?
What?
Isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes. He said it's
Now
about
you're
that
just
time.
agreeing to stuff you didn't listen
He said
to.
it's about that time. Right?
That's not what I said.
Then what did you say?
I don't know. What did I say? Were you listening?
I was listening.
Then what did I
Do
say?
you remember me last time you put my hair in your mouth?
I put a lot of people's hair in my mouth. You know
you
that,
told
right?
me, don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
Don't look
You're
at
the
me.
only person I said don't look at me, but you looked at me, so you disobeyed the law. Straight to jail. Straight to jail. Ooh, I'm telling.
Oh my god!
It's okay. It's fine.
I'm so sorry. I
No,
like
you don't need to apologize.
Okay.
It's fine. Where are you going? Let me follow you to your car. There's a step there. Please be careful. Please be careful. Where are you going? What are you doing? Please be careful. You can keep doing that if it makes you feel better. It's not gonna help.
One more in the car.
What?
We have to be driving.
Oh, I can drive, yeah. She already told me where y'all parked. What are you doing with your ears right now? I'm not gonna scream. I'm just gonna come and eat your hair. Is that okay? Can I eat your hair? Can I have some? I just want a piece of your hair.
Oh my god!
Be careful, watch where you're going. Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running?
Oh my god.
So everybody's wearing a vest. Oh, not you and not you. But boom, boom, boom.
Hey, are those press-on nails?
Press on. Are you gonna insult me like that?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be rude. That's oh my god, you're recording. This is freaking cool.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah. You're like 5 years old.
What? It's so overstimulating, right? There's so much going on.
I'm scared.
Of what?
What do you think?
You know what's really scary? If I know where you guys parked.
You don't.
Sure about that? Do you think 5's enough, or do you think? Do you think 5, or he said add more? To add more? You think that's enough?
Work them out for him!
No. How many is that? How many is that?
Ow!
How many is it?
9.
9? Okay. It's very rude to point. It's very rude to point. I saw what you're doing. You're pointing at him. It's very rude. Watching me. I'll follow you to the parking lot.
Your fake nails. I'm not. You only have one tape off.
Yeah, that's actually a missing fingertip.
For real?
Huh?
Oh,
Someone behind you. You need to watch where you're going. Okay? Watch out, she's taking a picture. You're getting in the way.
You want some more fingers?
Yeah. I'm gonna take them. I'm gonna take them. I'm gonna take some of your hair too. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat your hair. I don't care. I mean, you can put it to this side. You can put it to that side. Paying for it. I just want a piece of it. I don't want the whole thing.
You take a piece of it, you pay for it.
Well, how much was it? Let's talk price.
1,000.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. If you went somewhere and paid $1,000 for your hair, you need to go back for a refund. That's ridiculous. That's